Brittany, Britannia718. Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long ass time since you guys have seen me, at least on YouTube that is, and my bad, I am so sorry. So I know the setting is completely different than what you guys have seen before in a while, but real quick, I have moved. I've relocated to Tampa, so that's where I'm at now, still in Florida, if you didn't know that Tampa was in Florida. But yes, right now, I just wanted to come on really quickly to give you guys an update because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. This is my second time going to this lady here in Tampa. Her name is Taisha. I'll link her Instagram on here so you guys can follow her. Yeah, she did my hair very well the last time, and I am going to continue to see her. So yes, you guys, my hair is a hot ass mess. We're just going to call it what it is. It's only been like 4 weeks since I got my hair retightened, but my hair is dirty. It needs to be washed, which I'm about to go wash it now, and it just needs some tender loving care. I have a new shampoo that I'm using. I did link it in my Instagram stories, but I will either put a picture up here or in the next clip you guys will see the actual bottle so you can see what I use. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back. So I know this background looks very familiar and it's definitely different than what you guys just saw before. I'm back down in South Florida for the week for work and also to pick up the rest of my things. So yeah, anywho, that's neither here nor there. I got my hair done. It's been a little over a week, so I wanted to give you guys a little update. Also, I know my brows are super dark. I got them microbladed yesterday, so don't be alarmed. Don't adjust your screens. This is normal, okay? So yes, it has been 9 years and 11 months, guys. 9 years and 11 months since I've had my Sisterlocks. I can't believe this much time has passed, but I'm excited. I enjoy it. There are my moments where I'm just like, oh God, this is too much. What am I gonna do? But I actually enjoy it a lot. So you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that my hair has reached my booty. So I'm officially team butt crack, which is where I wanted to reach from like forever. That was my goal. And I'm here and I'm gonna continue to grow my hair. I know it's already long. How long do I wanna grow it? I'm not sure, but it's not heavy because I get that question all the time. My hair is not heavy. So I'm just gonna continue to grow it and see. But anywho, let me give you guys a little bit of an overview of my hair. I'm sitting on the floor because my tripod, where is it? In Tampa. So I have to improvise. So just bear with me, guys, all right? Cool. So real quick, you guys know that the front of my hair, it looks like it may have broken off, but it totally didn't. All the women in my family, the front, like the temples of our hair just looks, it's just short and fuzzy and real soft. So it doesn't really lock. So Taisha, the girl that I'm seeing in Tampa, she gave me a little bit of babies and they've been hanging on. This is my second time going to her and they've been hanging on. So we're gonna see how it goes. But yes, let me show you the back of my hair. So you guys see, right? Yeah. Oh, so the shampoo that I've been using, I'm gonna put a picture of it. You get it at the beauty supply store. And when I tell you, like, this shampoo might be my new wave. So far it's been going well and a little bit goes a long way. So I know I've been like team suave clarifying shampoo, but this bad boy right here, it's pretty damn dope. If any of you are using this shampoo, please let me know how you guys like it or you don't like it. If you go out and try this shampoo, please let me know how you feel about this shampoo. But yeah, guys, 9 years and 11 months. Crazy, I know. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update just to say hello. I know it's been a little while since you've seen my face on here and I'm so sorry. But between moving and trying to find a place to live and finding a place to live and all that. I just been, so I do apologize for neglecting you guys, but I am totally here. What else? I don't know. I'm just excited, guys. But don't forget, you can always find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, mostly Instagram and Facebook, rather than Twitter and Snapchat. But yes, I'm always here. And also know that I'm available too for online consultations. If you guys have questions or concerns about your hair, I'm definitely available for that as well. My email is down below. Just message me and we can schedule something and talk. All right, later.